For fuck's sake, I don't want to wake up. But if I must... Running late for work again. It's springtime, but there's no sun. So I'm not running that late, but I know some bitch is gonna be clock watching me. Don't clock watch me. Clock watch your breath brushing. No. I'm not sure if I'm in a good mood or not. I'm gonna try and smile today. I don't want to work today, so I'm just going to have fun. Going to eat my lunch now. I don't know what Mother Nature thinks she's playing at, but I'm wearing bloody layers, that fucking cunt of a bitch. It's hot and sunny. She just can't seem to make up her mind. First it's raining, then it's sunny, then it's raining, then it's sunny. She's a fucking weather girl. A weird feeling, a feeling in my gut she's going to be singing It's Raining Men later. I'm telling you, Mother Nature, don't fuck with me. I need my days off work to be nice. Please?